and thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel today. So today I decided to welcome you guys in to organizing my makeup drawer. It's so dirty. Oh my gosh, it's not dirty, but it is messy. Like, it's full of stuff in here, y'all. It's like it's full of stuff. So I'm gonna give y'all some tips though before before I get into everything. But before I go into the video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I appreciate it. Love you for it. Excuse, kisses, smooches, whatever. So y'all, this is my makeup drawer. Her name is Betty. Okay, her name is Betty. She's been with me for about a year now. Okay, and if y'all want to get a Betty, you literally can go to I'm literally in my living room. Normally my makeup drawer is in my closet, but I couldn't do the video in my closet because my baby is sleeping in his bed in our room, and my husband is sleeping and he has to go to work, and so I just couldn't do that, and I'm not gonna be selfish and be like, oh, let me make a video, no, get the rest. So I brought my makeup drawer out here, and y'all, this is my makeup drawer. So most people, Betty, get your life. So most people have that all white makeup drawer that's like a thick, it's like, it has like a whole bunch of them. I'm gonna put a picture in here so y'all can see what it looks like. But I decided to do something a little different. I'm more of a type of person, when I'm getting ready or I'm trying to do something and I'm trying to leave out somewhere, I like to see all of my stuff and know which drawer I'm going into. Yes, some people do label them, and that is an easy way too, but sometimes I like to just look right inside instead of a clear drawer. So I actually got this for, I believe, $12 from Meijer. Okay, and Walmart has it even cheaper. It was like 11 something, like $11 at Walmart. So this is where I got my makeup drawer from, and it is literally, it's amazing. It's amazing. It is amazing. And if you want to get something cheaper too, it's a lot cheaper. I know the makeup drawer that they had online was like $25-$30. If you want to save like $15-$30, you can get one of these. Literally, I saw the sticker on there and everything. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys a little bit more of my makeup drawer. We'll see how messy it is, and then I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to fix it, clean it, and just get it together because it is looking a hot mess. Okay, so yeah, here goes. Alright, y'all, so as I said, this is my makeup drawer. Another cool feature, I know I didn't say this like straight up, but this makeup drawer has wheels, so it's super convenient. Those makeup drawers that are just like all white and they just have like a bunch of drawers and all that stuff in there, you can't see inside, they don't have wheels. So the ones who have wheels, you can push it around the house. So if you, say for instance, you have kids like me and you want to get away from the kids and you need to do your makeup in another room in the house, you can push this bad boy to another room. Okay, it has like a whole like thing of wheels down here. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys each drawer. So right now, this is my top drawer. This is usually where I put my lipsticks, my foundation, my powders, everything. So right now it is a hot mess. I have organizers. Well, this isn't that bad actually. Let's look down here. So it isn't too bad, but it definitely needs to be organized. So right now everything is kind of chaotic. Like I have my foundations all over the place. I don't know if you guys can see, but my setting spray as well. It's just like, it's, my lashes, like all over the place. I'm just all over the place. I have like no agenda here. So I actually have some organizers that I bought from TJ Maxx. They were on sale. I got about 2 of them for like $5. So it was really cool. It was really good. And they look just like this one. So you actually can fit a few of these in here, and you can put like all your stuff in there and organize it. And so I don't like to have too much makeup, but just enough where I could choose from a few things here and there. So yeah, I have like my powder up here, my lip liners, literally like my eyebrow archers, because you know you gotta arch it up, you know. Gotta get your life. So yeah, so I have my pencils and all that good stuff. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have my pencils, and then let's toss that out of here. And then I have like different foundations, different eyeshadows, and this is not even supposed to be in this drawer, but yeah, primers, all that stuff. So yeah, and here is my second drawer. It's not too bad because I have my lipsticks somewhat organized, but I have like my lipsticks, my lip glosses, all that stuff in here, and it just needs to be organized. Like if you look over here, this is like so unorganized, and I'm just not feeling it. Okay. All right, and then under here, let's pull this little tray out, guys. I have all of my eyeshadows. So I have this one. This is actually one of my favorite ones, but I haven't used it in a minute. It's so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh, look at those pretty bright colors. It's like a what's his name? James Charles, I think that's what his name is. This is like a off-brand version of that, but it is very pigmented and I love it. So, and it's cheaper too, why not? But sometimes James Charles has his stuff on sales, or James, I forgot his name, it's something like that. But I really don't buy his stuff because I heard he was racist. And I was just like, no, like James Patrick Star something, y'all know the man. Anyway, but here's my foundation. And then I have like my bronzers in here, all that good stuff, my brow kit, like all of that good stuff. I have like highlighters, stuff you would use like if you want to highlight the nose, the brow, bam, get your life. Some more like foundations, so I'm just like stacking up my foundations up in here, bruh. I just have too many to count. So yeah, I have all those, and it needs to be organized because it is super duper chaotic and it doesn't look good. So I have brushes too, y'all. I actually have a makeup bag that I carry. It's like a little makeup bag. It's so cute. Okay, people think it's a purse, but it's not. It's actually a makeup bag, and I carry all my brushes and everything there. And I need to put it in here, but I feel like it doesn't fit. So here's the last drawer. Oh, Angie, you better organize it. But I have like my makeup wipes when you clean your face after your makeup, which is what I'm about to do tonight. And then I have like my moisturizers. Y'all, cool story. So these moisturizers, I actually have a makeup video where I did my makeup, and I'm gonna post that one on here as well. But this moisturizer here I actually got from Dollar Tree, and it works just like any other moisturizer. Oh my gosh. It is oil-free facial cream. I don't know if you guys can see it good, but it's oil-free facial cream. It has vitamin E in there, and it is it's actual like intense moisturizer. That's what it says. I don't know if you guys can like focus. And it works really good. I have expensive ones too, but this, if you trying to like get something on the low and it works just as good, just go to Dollar Tree. I have a ton of them. And then I have this one too. It's good too. This is really good too. But Dermasil, that's like my go-to, to be honest. And then I have like eyeshadow cleaner and like my makeup wipes, my sponges back here, some more brushes. Yeah, so we're gonna organize and get this stuff together. so my drawer is all finished. I organized my top drawer, and I'm going to show you what's going on here. So I have my top drawer, I have all of my liquid liners, my foundations, primers, my what is it, correctors, eye correctors, all that good stuff. I have my powders right here, and my other powders right here, my lip liners, my eyeliner, my eyebrow archers, all that good stuff there. And then right underneath here, if you lift this up, I have my lashes, my lash glue, my lashes, all my lashes over here, my foundations, my setting spray as well. I have other foundations. I have a few more as well, but I just decided not to put it in here and leave it in my makeup bag. I have my eyebrow pencil as well. I have all of my lip liners and eyeshadows. Uh-oh, don't fall, Betty. So I have my lip glosses all right here, my lipsticks as well, my lipsticks right here. I have some extra lip gloss right there in the back, if you guys can see that as well. And then I have some more lipstick right here. And right underneath here, I have all of my eyeshadows. So one of my favorites is BH Cosmetics. Lots of BH Cosmetics, and just all different other kinds. Just lots of makeup. So yeah. And my last drawer is like my facial stuff. So like I have all of my my moisturizers that I told you guys about. I have my makeup wipes, my mist spray. I have some more moisturizer. This is like some moisturizer as well. So it's facial oil, really good facial oil as well. But yeah, I have all my sponges, my brushes underneath here as well. So it looks amazing. Alright y'all, so that is the end of my video. I want to thank you for making it this far and watching my whole entire video. Please guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed. Definitely let me know. And ladies, let me know some of the other makeup people that you use, especially black owned, okay? Gotta support the black businesses because I'm black. And even white businesses as well. I'm not against that either. But yeah, girl, let me know what you think. And like I said, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.